Tom and the Little Lost Puppy. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town, there lived a boy named Tom. Tom loved playing with his toys, but sometimes he felt lonely because he didn't have a friend to share his adventures with. One sunny morning, as Tom was eating breakfast, he heard a soft sound outside his door. Woof! Woof! Curious. Tom opened the door and saw a tiny brown puppy sitting on his doorstep, wagging its tail and looking up at him with big, shiny eyes. Tom smiled and said, "Hello there. Where did you come from?" The puppy didn't answer, but it barked happily, and Tom decided to take care of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share.